Hey guys, what's happening? How to get a free Wi-Fi in airports without paying. So first, you can visit the official free Wi-Fi by going to your settings and go to the Wi-Fi specifically. If you are in the airport, you're gonna be able to see the available free Wi-Fi. Right? Check the network name at the information desk. Next, lounge and restaurant Wi-Fi. Connect using Wi-Fi from lounges, cafes, or restaurants. Buying something may not be required, right? And of course, you can use airport websites or apps. You can just go ahead. Some airports list free Wi-Fi. Let's have example. I'm using FlyNAS. Just go and check if there is any Wi-Fi or free Wi-Fi during your flight or when you're gonna take off, right? On their official site or app, okay? And of course, you can use a website, right? As you can see right here, this is Saudi Arabian official website, right? They allow you to access free Wi-Fi at your fingertips in the terminals, right? You can reply to emails, stay in touch with your loved ones, and by just scroll a little bit down right here and add the date when you're gonna leave, right? And the destination and the airline, and hit search, and simply they will show you the free Wi-Fi spot. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.